Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So, happy Holi, students. Okay. Now, okay, students, Holi will come and go, and Python should come and it should not go. So, every day every day the Holi when you celebrate, when you read Python well. Correct? Right. Okay, students, now I will move to the further. I hope last class you might be executed that. So, Mohan, sir, as you said, you will say the trick to use Edit Plus for the further days without paying for premium. Please say the trick, my dear students. Such a beautiful trick you are asking. Okay. Giridharan, good morning, sir. Thank you for the wishes. Happy Holi to you. Okay. Okay. Who is this? Mohan. And when you open Edit Plus, and of course, it is not a trick at all. Okay, tricky, maybe you feel. You are having in the middle of it, you'll be getting something like this. In the middle of it, you are getting some alert. What is that alert? Register, your days over, expiry period is over and everything. Mohan, you take this and drag this entire window. Drag this entire window and keep it in the taskbar. Like that it will come. You drag it and put it here. That is only the trick. And happily you can open Edit Plus and you can go for a file new and everything. That will not cause any problem. Okay, Mohan, are you comfortable? So on Python day, I said one important trick. Shall we move further? Yes. Are you there, Mohan? I think Mohan is not there. So now let us move to the further. So, Olsen, good morning, sir. Happy Holi. So one other small request, okay? Shall I ask you? Shall I ask or not? It's about Python only, no problem. Small request, maybe big request also, no problem. No problem. Paulson, you can ask, no issue. Every offline student is also watching. You can ask quickly. So I'll start my subject. I ask or not, it's about Python, okay. Not about Python, okay. Paulson, sir, can you teach us to learn DSA, data structures and algorithms? Actually, data structures and algorithms you have to learn before my class only. Data structures and algorithms is one of the royal subject in computer science. Data structures and algorithms is one of the royal subject. If you know C language and DSA, you can directly go to Hyderabad or anywhere else where Microsoft Center is there. You can submit your resume. You say, I'm master in C language and DSA you specify and you submit. They will compulsory conduct the test. Compulsory. If you qualify there, you'll be selecting in Microsoft. Compulsory you will select. And if you have confident on this place. Okay. Fine. So Jairam, DEF, greet underscore happy Holi, print happy Holi, greet happy Holi. Okay. Jairam, I fully satisfied with you. Chocolate is not there today. Why this is? Today chocolate is not there. What happened? Okay. Student, Jairam, I don't find chocolate today. What happened to this? I don't know. My dear student, so wish you the same. So I really impressed, but I searched for chocolate. Chocolate is not there. I don't know where it is gone. Maybe chocolate's over or not. I don't know. Okay. He is giving chocolate to me. Thank you, my dear student, because I am unable to give even chocolate also to you. What can I do? I don't have chocolates. Okay. Okay, students. Now I will start. Hmm? Dhoni? Right. Okay, Jairam. Thank you, ma. You really touch my heart. Your subject is more than enough. Okay. Fine. Mohan, so you're asking my salary, you're asking. Okay, is it really necessary, my dear? I put my salary also to 0.0. Okay. Any of students, certain things, so not necessary. And okay. So shall I go to the further now? Yeah. Don't feel, ma. So actually, I don't want to say because everything I will say, certain things I don't say. Okay, now you know now. Fine. Hmm? No, no. Dhoni asked my MS Dhoni asked my salary. Okay. No problem, students. I'll move to that. Previously, there was one concept we already completed. And last part is there. I hope so. Some questions are there. Google Play Store. And in that project, and maximum, we completed up to find the number of free and paid apps. Paid. Maximum also completed up. Right. This also I hope I completed. Completed up. 13th also. Okay. 13th also completed. So display top 5 apps having highest reviews. Highest reviews. I will go for that. I'll continue that. Go to the place. Go to this place. So I'll say, have we executed that? Today something less. Holy gili, why? Why that is? Come to the class. After that you can do. Okay. So anyhow, you enjoy that. I hope we move to that and we see something we discussed already, right? Shall I open that? Where it is? It is in combination of it. Just a day ago. Something like a day ago. Where is it? Somewhere else. I just want to take previous. I want to move further. Hmm? This one, huh? No. Okay, let it be. Why to bother about that? So we will write the code instead of writing. I just want to carry out that continuation part of it, right? Okay. Get that part. Here I'm already having that questionnaire part is there. That questionnaire part is there. Get the data frame once and then I'll move forward. You get this entire thing. Here I will go to the place. df is equal to. So first you say import pandas as pd. Pandas as pd. df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv and say this entire thing. What is this now? Google Play Store dot csv. CSV. So I'm writing like this. So written. Yes. print of df, print of df. At the same time, I do one thing, students, pd dot, what is that mark? Set underscore option, set underscore option, options are option, what is that? Display dot max underscore underscore columns, comma what? None. So try to run this. So got the data. Now I want to get it. As you know already, head off, head off. Just to show you that, here I am having scroll bar is coming or not. That means all the columns are available with me. Let us go to the question is, I think question number 14. Question number 14, I want to take it. 14, you take it. Study that. Maybe I already posted the same thing. Might be executed. Find the top 5 app names having what? Highest review. Highest review. So find the top 5 names having highest review. So 5 top highest reviews. How do you find? On which column you are working? df dot what? Columns. So what is the column name? Rating. So I will go for what here? df of, come on. df of what? Reviews. Yeah, reviews. Highest review rating. There I will take up. There I will take up. You say this one, this got it. These are the ratings we got it. Now I want to go for what I want to get it. Top 5 rows. Top 5 I want. Top 5 I want. What I will say? Dot sort. Sort. Underscore what? Yes. Sort underscore values. So you got which order? Ascending order. If you write, you can write what you know. Ascending, ascending, ASC, ascending is equal to what? False. If I write ascending is equal to false, what happens? ASC. Yeah. Spellings you take care, students. Are you following me? Dot what I will do? Head off. Dot head off. How many? 5. So you got that. What I want to get it? App names of what I will write it. Come on. APP, APP, APPS, APP. Okay. Apps of what? So this entire thing, you got these things. I will go for, I will just pass it df dot loc off, df dot loc off, df dot loc off, df dot loc off. Like this, you try to pass it. df dot loc off. Now, got this error. None of the above. It is, let us look into that. Find that review, find that reviews, sort the values. Then after that, what? Head off, head off. No problem. You will be getting head off. Already you got it or not? Already you got it. So out of that, you go to once and then nothing to worry about it. Go to head off. You try to remove that part. LOC you remove that and try to print this now. Get this kind of, what is this is called? What these are called? Indices. They are called what? Indices. They are called indices. Just for a minute, you see, for IND, comma what? RAT in, I will write like this. I'll say what you know, IND, comma what? RAT. So getting here, IND, I will write it. So you are getting too many values to unpack it. Okay. So that is also needed to pack it. Zip I need to use it. Zip I need to use it. That you try to take off. So I'm trying to take up from this place. What you do is dot what? Index you can call. Because of that, what are coming? Indexes plus what? Ratings are coming. Ratings are coming. That is, reviews are coming. I will apply here as we written. This is also one important thing. What is this now? Index. That will give you what? Index values will be given. Already you know columns means columns will come. Index means indexes will come. What are coming now? Indexes are coming. That index related what values we want to get it? Pass to whom? ILOC you pass it. ILOC of what? Indices. ILOC dot what? Indices. You are trying to get that indices into indices and pass those indices to whom? ILOC. With that LOCs you can get it what? App names. So try to get it. This type of thing you say what? Indices you place it. You store the indices here and you store the indices. Print off what? Indices you print it. That indices are printed like that. Those indices you pass to what? DF dot what? ILOC of what? Indices you pass it. If I pass it in the indices, you are getting that app names and everything. App names and everything you are getting it. That app name related, what I want to get it? App I want to. Apps. App only. So you are getting that app. What is that now? Here are getting this app name. This app name you are getting. This app names you are getting. Are you following me? These are the app names. So if any kind of reviews having 3 million, 3M was there or not? 1 million is equal to how many values? 1 million is equal to how many values in numerics? 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs. 10,000. You know, lakhs you can take now. So you can take, you can take like this. Into what you can say? Already we said in the class. Review replaced with what? This 3 into what you can say? Multiply that reviews. Last class I said simply what? 3.0. If you want millions values, you can do equivalent counting. Are you following, students? So these are the app names. What is the main thing here? Index you get it. And from that index you pass to whom? LOC you pass it. I hope you are following me. So go to the place. Can I pass it to what? Remember always our formulas. Remember always our formulas. LOC can deal with what also? Row indices it can deal. But this will deal with what? Column names it will deal. But here I am not taking column names. I am taking only what? Indices I am passing. That indices related app name I am getting it. Either you can go for what? In ILOC or you can go for what? LOC. These are the top 5 apps. Go to the next place. Online students, I hope you are getting me. Next, find the rating of what? Rating of what? Free and what? Paid apps. Find the rating of free and paid apps. How do you get it? Get the column names and find it is which type? Type. Then go for what? Find the existing value of type column. You are finding head or tail with the type column will be coming. And you are going to say what? Type of it. Get all the values of type column. Free and paid you will get it. And separate or group by data frame values by what column? Type column. Because free group separate. Paid group separate. Group by of type. From the type you say what? Group by of type. Of what? Rating. Rating. You are getting the rating of what I want. When you go for rating of how many ratings will come? 2 types of ratings will be there. First rating mean and then second rating mean will come. I hope you are getting it. 2 types of applications are there. One is a free group and one more is paid group. When you go for that, average rating of free and paid, only 3 things are there. 2 groups will be there. Each group mean will be coming. I hope you are getting it. Go to the place. In this place, you get it, print that, go to the question, you take it, I think you are following, students. If you did not execute totally blank, if you already done, then you can follow this. Now I'm going to say df dot columns. I already said you how to take care about this entire thing. So columns, you can take it here. What is written here? Type. Type is here. You can just take off df dot type. You can say df dot type. You can say pass that T capital. According to this is a way to find out the values. Some of them are free is equal to what I will say paid. Suppose if I write free, here I am writing free. Boolean array will be coming that you pass to whom? df. Pass to whom? df dot loc of. df dot loc of. You are getting pre-related apps. Pre-related apps. Now if I say paid related apps, so paid related apps are coming, correct? So those things I want to group it. How do you group it now? df dot group by. df dot group by, pd dot group by. df dot group by of what? Type. Because of that, two types of groups will come and group by object will be coming. Group by object will be coming. Under a free group, one thing will come. You can just, I said already, take it as something like what? GBF. For loop I can write. Free values will come and paid values will come separate. That is now today group by of what I am finding now? Rating. Rating I will take it. Dot what I will find? Mean of. I'm just going to say two types of things are coming. One zero type is also there. In our apps, zero type, neither already we discussed in the last class. Zero type means what? Not free, not paid. They mentioned the type as what? Zero related free, zero related category type. Free related and then paid related, their average rating I said. And zero related also you have seen in the last class. This is about find the average rating of free and paid apps. Go to the next part. Go to the next question. I'll move to the further 16th question. I think this is called what? 15th. 16th question I'm going to take up. So here I'll go to the 16th question. Try to answer it. Find top 5 apps having what? Maximum installs. As usual, find out what is the column name? Find the columns. What is the column called what? Installs. Do you have installs here? Yes, installs. Try to find out df of what? Installs. df of installs. Installs values are coming. What is this now? Plus is there, comma is there. Are you following, students? Plus is there, comma is there. Comma should be removed. Comma should be removed. Plus should be removed. So how you can take care of? There is a function called what? Replace. Come on, already done, already posted. df dot columns, take installs column, head of one, you are finding installs values, and you have seen already installs values plus is there, commas are there, etc. are there. So now go forward. Convert d type of df of what? Installs as what? Int type. By using which type? As type. So because I am going to compare the numerical installing values, because there plus is there, commas are there, which are providing disturbance in comparing what? Greater than and less than and all those things. As type, if I convert into which type? Into type, you will get error. Why error? Comma plus everything is available. Is it possible to convert? Go to the Python environment. This is our basic level of subject we learned already in our Python class. So here I am going to write it. S is equal to, this is my data. This is my data. I say X is equal to int of what? Yes. It is going to give you what? Value error. Moreover, students, here I already said you, df dot what? Info. df dot info. When I was written, installs is which topic? Object type. I have to convert into which type? Why to convert into type? For comparison purpose. For comparison purpose, I want to go for it. For that, I need to go for df of, what is this now? Installs, that is installs, if I go to that, as a type of what? Int, as type int. You will get what? Error. Error will come. What is that error now? You cannot convert. See the same error, we got it. So what you will do? Even in the Python also, value error in the beginning days only we got it. Same error is coming here also. That we need to sort it out. How do you sort it out? Already we know. Come on. Replace comma with what? Empty string. Comma should be eliminated. Means don't write some empty there. df dot installs dot str dot replace, that comma should not be substituted anything. Empty string, no space also don't give. Place them in where? New column. New column. So I'm taking just to, I don't want to disturb the existing one. Some for my side, my calculation purpose, I'm placing it where? New column. How I will write it? df of installs underscore 1 is equal to df of installs dot str dot replace of what? Comma is equal to like this. Are you able to follow? So let us go to the place. Here I am going to write this and try to observe. Here I am writing in the same place I am trying to write it. In the same place I am trying to write it like this. If you just follow me, what is happening? No commas are available, right? No commas are available. One more thing, I need to place it what also? This I am going to place it in. I don't want to disturb that. I will say what, installs. New installs. I will take what, new installs. New installs is equal to. I'm placing in new installs is equal to. I hope you are following this. Now you say print of what? Print of df of new installs. You just print this. Print this new installs. You just see that. What is coming? Comma, comma is removed. Now from there, what I want to do? From there, what I want to do? This place. I said like this. From there, I need to place what? Plus also to be substituted. How do I write it? The same thing. You see again. Head. Now the has been, what is containing? Let us once again check the values. Plus is there or not? Replace plus with what again? Empty. Replace plus with empty. Go to the place. That replaced value, keep it in the same place once again. So I'm going to take up dot what? Replace. Dot replace of what? Plus. Dot replace of plus. Here I'll say plus. With what? Empty. Same, empty. Just look at that. Plus also gone. Correct? That you place it in where? Same place. Right or not? Same place. If you want next is equal to this entire thing, you do it. This entire thing you do it. So finally, you print off what? That new installs you write it. This data you write it. So you got it. So like this. Now you can convert into which type? What is the type of that? You can just find out. Type of this installs. Type of this installs. Which type? Object. It is a series type, we got it. Series type. This type I got it. Now I want to convert into which type? Int type. I want to convert into int type. Now let us move to the further. How do I convert? See this. Finally, go to plus is replaced with that. Now again replace with this. Installs done. Now I want to find out what? Now step finally check the D type of what? Installs, which is a variable format of this type. How do I write it? D type. You check D type. Type I checked it. Previously, if we go for it, you go to this place. What is the type? New installs dot what? D type. D type. The value type you are checking. See, I written type of that is called one column. That is definitely what? Series. And I'm checking each and every value of that. What is that now? Object type. Now I want to convert into what? As type. As type I want to go for it. This, let it be, this a D type, I will keep it as it is for your clarity. Here I will write it as type. As type of what? Int. As type of int you say, int. And put it into the same place. As type, if you do it, this is going to be converted into what? As type you do it, gives value error. One of the app contains, there is one value. Again, I put it, one small thing here. Free as a value in installs one. I just want to look into that. Again, I will show you this part as int type. It is giving value error. That error also I'm going to give you. Last one you see. What is this now? Free. Check it out once that is containing free or not. You need not to do that entire thing, but only checking. Here you just see. Somewhere else there might be free, it seems. Where is that free? Is equal to what? Free. If you want to find out, you can happily find out. LOC of like this. You see this now. Somewhere else there is something like what? Life made like this. And this is installs contains what? Free. Free means what? 0 you make it. 0 you make it. So how do you do that? Go to the place. You see students. You found out that free will be made as what? 0. Free will be made as 0. Do it. That part you make it. Dot what? Come on guys. Boys in the back. Almost senior citizens you become. మిమ్మల్ని పిక్నిక్ తీసుకెళ్తా ఒకసారికి. అక్కడంతా ఋషులు ఉంటారు మీలాగా కూర్చొని ఏం మాట్లాడకుండా. Today also is seen Gautam Buddha statue also newly designed. I will take you the picnic there. Dot what? str of, here I will write dot str dot contain replace of what? Free, comma 0. Where I will keep that? In the same place I will keep it. In the same place I will keep it. So here I will keep it. So done. 0 in double quotes. Replace of 0 in double quotes. So done. 0 in double quotes. Print of what? So that part I will take it. df of this installs is equal to what? 0 in double quotes. And df dot what? LOC of like this. You see somewhere else 0 installs. 0 installs will be there or not? 0 installs will be there. 0 installs will be there. Now go to that place here. Now let us check the D type. So with that, what values will be there? df of what? New installs of what type? What type? D type, which is still O, object type only. Now convert to what? That as type of what? Int. So this is something like this. Keep it in where? Same place. Keep it in same place or not? Replace that. Now this is containing perfect values. Now this is done. And I have, of course, you have done that entire part. Keep it into new installs. Keep it into new installs is equal to this values you type it in this place here. Done. Last and final to check it. Dot what? D type, which is what? Int 32. Now I can apply what? What is my question? To sort one question, so many operations you need to do. Maximum installs, top 5 things. Come on. Go for what? Yes. Dot. What is this? Sort underscore values. Ascending is equal to. If you want to do like this also, no problem. Get what? Last tail of what? tail off, just a tail off. So you got this. Just a tail off. You got like that. If you want what you can say, dot what? Index. Index of? Index. It is going to contain what? Next line I will write it. This part, just you write what? Indices. Indices is equal to this part you get it. Dot what? Index. So print what? Indices. Indices you print it. Now you pass it. df dot ILOC of indices. Indices you pass it. Now I got these indices are coming. Of what I will write it? App I will write it. App I will write it. So I'm getting that kind of thing. Google Play Games, Google Drive, Google Plus, Google, Gmail. Are you following? That's all. Like that you can pause it. Like that you can pause it. Last part I say. Dot what also I can say? LOC also. You can get it. Are you following, students? So depends. So if you want to go for, if you want to find out installs also, installs in a column name, I will write, this part I will carry. I will carry this. This part I will get it. Close the bracket. Now you got it. New installs. If you want to get only installs, original data will be coming. That also no problem. Why? Plus is also there. That also you can get it. Are you following, students? Like this, one can find this entire thing. I think online students, you got it. Either you go for sorting the values and how to get it. And Rajshekhar, I'll tell you, Ma. I'll tell you, compulsory, I will tell you. So how to get this Play Store and all these things. Not at all a problem. That is very simple. And you are already most famous in downloading anything. Okay now? Right. So let us move to the further. Now I will move to the, this is about online students. Please respond. If you execute this entire things on your own, anything which is given, you can get it. Any case study is given, you can do perfectly. On your own, if you do it, you will be getting perfectly. So this you can keep it in your, one of the project you can, in your pandas level, you can keep it. And for your more clarity purpose, now I'm going to enter into the another kind of things. One more small case study I prepared it, and that you can understand easily. Now I'm going to take it. One of the state salary report is given that we are analyzing. Let us watch employee salary analysis report. One of the salary analysis report. Priyanka is asking, sir, is there any other way to obtain the apps indexes of taking index? Already we said now. See, index I said, that is a simple attribute we said. Take that apps dot index you say. That is only the way to get the indexes or not. It is a simple way. Correct or not? I already said in the class, iterate over the, I will go for it. Priyanka, you must read my notes, ma. You go to my pandas data frame. I said one important concept also. Iterating over is a concept. Recently I said sorting, removing, etc. Somewhere else there is a topic called what? Iterate over rows and what? Columns. Iterate over rows and columns. There I said. Iterate over rows and columns by what? Index labels, iter rows, index positions, shape of 0. Already those things I said or not? See here. Beginning I said, when you go to iter rows, what is this giving you? Index label. Index label is nothing but what? A row label. Row label. You can get this way. I already explained. Next is called what? Index positions. Shape of 0. I already explained. 4 ways I explained already in the class. Okay now? Regular dialogue. Once you know the total pandas of whatever is explained, everything you can do it. So, Saurav. So, Sir, I trying to do this project in VS Code, but it would not happen after some operations not getting output. Did I have to create actual explicitly virtual environment for this? See, you have to install sufficient modules in VS Code. One of the small drawback in VS Code is you have to go for installing for everything. One extra installation is required. That's why VS Code is not useful in industry for data science. Always they go for what? Always the Jupyter notebook is an ultimate. Even machine learning, you take it, deep learning, you take it. Total AI will be done with what? Jupyter notebook only. All other things is no use because you will get some trouble over there. So, how to keep it in resume? How to keep it in resume means I'm not getting it. You paste my entire notes in the resume. So, how to keep it in the resume also you're asking. I said already yesterday only, Google Play Store analysis. That is the project title is Google Play Store analysis. Under that you write the description. Description about what? Google Play Store. Some of the questions. This project aim is to analyze Google Play Store reports such as finding maximum installs, finding highest reviews, finding highest apps which are having more installs, more reviews. You write some description, one paragraph you write it. Under that what? Skill set. I used NumPy because np.nan you are using. Pandas you are using. Next time introducing tomorrow matplotlib. There for analysis I am using. Graphing mechanism I am telling. Next is called what? Like that you use. And I use total library of Python, skill set and etc. I use it. That is the way to write it. So this case study only I am saying it. Let us go to the next. One more is called what? Go to the next one. Employee salary analysis report. Now see that data set is available with me. Here salaries. You just see this salary report. A very big salary report is available. Just to try to understand me. What is this now? Employee name, job title, basic pay, overtime pay, and other pay, benefits, employee name, job title, general manager, metropolitan, next captain 2, captain 3. So 1 or 2 means you can study. Lakhs are there. Will you study? If you study now, you will get a headache. So I never bother about that. I bother about what? Column names. Important for me. Crores of Indians, we never bother about it. We will see the column names, basic pay, overtime pay, and what? Other pay, Next, benefits. Next, what? Total pay. They're adding all these pays here. And next is called what? Total benefits. Which year they are getting? And notes, nothing is written. Next is agency, San Francisco. This is the salary report of San Francisco employees. Notes, no notes is written, no status is written. Are you following me? Year mentioned, notes is not there, agency not written, something may be there. Okay, these are the things which are available. Are you following? This data I want to analyze. How do I get this now? Start following this. Go to this now. Employee analysis report, project. How do you write it in my project, sir? How to keep this in my project? Don't say. If you ask that question, I have to give the same answer like you. Take a printout and put a pin to your resume. Project number 2, data analysis with a Python pandas employee salary report. By seeing this itself, they will get a lot of impression about you. And write the description. Instead of writing some gully level English, use some good English. Whatever you like it, you go for it. Go to that. Now I'm going to say this part, data analysis with pandas. So coming to this place, now coming to this. Students will bother about how to write resume. Without subject, what you will do by keeping resume, students? Follow that. Subject, you learn it. So Shivamani, wait ma. That is also one question I will give you. Let me complete my case study. I'll give you that. Now go to that. When you go to an interview, they won't ask you, bring the data set from your home. They won't say. They won't say. And whatever I'm saying, it is directly touching the, sir, from where to get this data set? When they are giving, calculate x plus y plus z is equal to 0, calculate x plus y plus z, definitely they will ask you, if they give like this, what you will ask? What is the value of x plus y plus z? Right or not? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to minus 2. Calculate x plus y plus z. What this is called, inputs or not? In order to do this type of analysis, what they will need? Data set they need. In companies, they will give data set for you. They won't ask you to create the data set by yourself. Correct or not? So that data set, whether you are creating or somebody created, I never bother about it. I will see what type of data type it is. It is 100% what? Excel sheet. That Excel sheet they will give you, and they will give you the questionnaire also. That questionnaire we must solve it. I hope you are following me. So to perform data analysis, I am giving here, we have 21 data analysis questions that we are going to solve one by one. And those things I am going to give you here. Are you able to follow? Let us. First one you see. Easy. All these things are dead easy. Now I am giving solution sheet also for you. Solution sheet also I want to give. And here some extra questions I added. Some extra questions. How much data is there? I never bother about the data. Almost maybe so much of data is available over there. Just to see, so many employees are there in that. There are so many employees are available. There are almost what? 1,48,655 is available. Will you create these many employee data now? Definitely they will create what? Data set they will give you. So that I am going to start here. Shall we start off? This is rest of the questions. Examples on rest of the questions. Rest of the questions on Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Right, done. Now I'm going to take the new one. So what is this now? I'll take it. Examples on. I'll just carry out this title of it. I'll carry out this title of it. Here I will just post it. That's all. So I'm going to take up something like this. Done. Easy. Now let us move to the further. Here I will write it. So let us go for what? Import NumPy as NP. Import pandas as PD. Quickly I will do it because already you know now. df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv of. I'll carry this entire address. Online students, be active and try to interact with me. Go to this place and try to write it. Here I am going to write it. Say this one. Here I am having like this. And what is this now? File name is called what? Salaries dot, yes. Salaries dot what? CSV. CSV. Print of what? DF. And before that, I already said you that part is there na beginning. I just said max columns and everything is there or not? This you remember. This you remember. And nobody will give you any extra marks for you when you set your things. Just like adjusting our screen. So this is my total things are there. And a df dot what, you know, head off. Just to 2 you say. Just to 2. See guys, all of them. Scroll bar is coming or not? Under that, notes. No data is present over there in Excel sheet. But what it is taken here? Nan. Nan means what? No value present over there. Nans are there in where? Notes. Under that, status is also nan is there. Yes. No. Not all benefits contains nan. No. Some of them are benefits are there. Right or not? Right. Come on to the point back. Question number 1. Quickly try to answer, students. Quickly try to answer. Question and answer quickly. Question number 1. Within 20 minutes, you have to complete. Come on, answer. Online students also, please interact with me, students. Everybody, df dot head of 10. Yes, 10. 0 to 9 coming or not? 0 to 9. Online students, please interact. All the columns are coming. If I don't write that set max, set option, you don't get the scroll bar. Scroll bar will not come. Take care. Now go to next. Quickly get what? Last 10 rows. Get the last 10 rows. How do you get it, Ma? I forget. df dot. Very good. Tail of what? 10. So tail of 10. Last 10. 14,000. 1,48,653. Last one is nothing but what? 44. 10. Last 10 is there or not? Yes. Go to next step. Find the shape, number of rows and what? Columns. Dead easy. I forget. First, df dot what? Yes, good. Shape of. How many? Number of rows, number of columns. So here I will write it. Print off. Come on, Ma. Number of rows is equal to, comma, df dot shape of. Very good. Next, immediately print off number of columns. Number of columns is equal to df dot shape of what? 1. So you are getting number of rows and number of columns. Okay. Now, students, online students, be interact with me. That is done. Get the, this is very simple. Come on, Ma. df dot. Yeah, here I will take up. Okay, students. Okay, that's fine. Dot what? Info. Info of. Info attribute of function of. Attribute of function of. Function. Some of the girls don't not saying anything. Function and like attribute on function of everything like that. Because in car one doll is there going on like this. In cars moving like this. Because girls and I don't say anything to them. Now see, all the memory usage is how much? 14.7 plus MB. Out of that, floats are how many? 8 columns. Int are 2 columns. Object is 3 columns. This is total data is given here. Well, now I'm going to say df dot index. Indexes will be given. Starts from 0 and this is the data. Next is called what? Columns. df dot what? Columns. This is the most useful things for you. All columns are coming, Iron Man. Yes. Now, how to get the index? How to get the columns? We are getting it. Next, check null values in the data set. How many? Check the null values in the data set means how many null values are available. There is a function called is null. Dot sum will give you total number of null values for each column will come. You know now? Yes. That part. Question number 5. Solution set also I wrote it. I provided the solution. Key sheet this is. After writing exam, next day key will be released. And what you will do directly, keys only you will go for it without thinking. Because you are different. 10, head of. Next, shape of. Get the information, info. What is this now? Is null dot sum. Go there and apply df dot is null. Is null. So, is null. Just wherever there is a false, not null. Wherever there is a null, true. Because we don't have the patience to see 1,48,064. I don't want to see. I want to say simply what? Sum of. You see, in ID, no nulls are there. In employee name, no nulls are there. In job title, no nulls are there. In base pay, 609 nulls are there. In overtime pay, 4. In benefits, this many. In total pay, these no nulls are there because every employee need to get the benefits, total pay and etc. Notes completely zero agency and this entire thing. These are called what? Information about how many null values are there in my data set. Very frequently asked question, important. Next, go to the questionnaire. Go to the questionnaire here. Go to your questionnaire here. Make it speed up. Now I'll go to the next value is called what? Drop ID, nodes, agency, and then status column. Easy. Go to the place. First of all, you see that what are the columns? df dot columns. Columns. What is their ID? ID. Employee name, title, base pay, etc. Why they are asking to remove? Just to have a look. Have a look at once. So in our place, there is the employee salary report. Salaries, you open it. In ID place, my dear students, in ID, no ID is given, I think so. Some 1, 2, 3, etc. given, right or not? They are giving some ID. They said that they want to cancel it. They want to remove it. Do you know how to drop it? Already in our class, we learned, na? Yes. If you go to that, our formula sheet, in quickly, if you go to it, in formula sheet, which I said to you in the class, somewhere else there is a dropping. Remove the column, remove the rows. You can say df dot rows drop labels is equal to index x value. Index is 0. Drop of what labels? Index value 1, index value 2, access is 0. df of drop label is equal to 0 and access 0. Access 0 refers what? Rows. And 4, access 0. You can remove independent rows also. This is what we discussed already in the class. That formula only I am taking. Let's start here. Come on, how do you go for it? See that how simple it is. Go out of that. Drop this now. Sixth column solution what I provided is CMA. df of drop ID nodes agency status. First of all, what are these ID nodes agency columns? Columns. Columns means I need to write what? Access is equal to 1. Understood? Yes. Now I am going to where I am keeping that into in df. You can write this happily. I am dropping and originally placing. Do you know another one, students? What is it? No? In place is equal to what? True. Beautiful. So I'm writing here, in place is equal to what? True. You can write like this. You can write this. All things you use it. Comfortably you will go for it. Go there once and try to write it. ID as it is ID. Notes you take columns without any spelling mistake. You take it without any spelling mistake. Next is called agency also. Agency also you need to take care. Next you need to take status. Status you need to take care. Status. Well. Ma? ID also. Okay. ID also capital I. Capital I. You need to take. Access is equal to. Keeping in where itself? DF itself. Okay. Done. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. What are not there? ID was not there. Beginning, what was printed? Beginning, what was printed? ID printed or not? ID. Now, this is gone. ID gone. What is this now? Earlier also you see, mom. This is ID printed, you see. ID printed or not? Here now it is gone. ID is not there. If you want, you can say df dot what? Head off. Head off. You just try to see df dot head off. Head off. What is not there? Employee name only there. Employee name is there and this data is printed. If you want df dot, what is this now? Columns. Columns. What are the columns are available? ID not there. Agency not there. Notes is not there. Earlier columns are how many? 13 are there. len of what? df dot columns 9. 4 columns removed, 9 are left out. Okay, done. Get overall statistics about the data frame. That is a statistics, general descriptive statistics. You already know that describe of include all that I already said to you. Go to the place. Here I am writing. Get the descriptive statistics. Descriptive. It is an important word, students. Statistics. Get the descriptive statistics. df dot describe of. You'll get max, you'll get min, STD, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 35 percentile of all numerical columns only. Of all numerical columns only. Of for what columns? Numerical columns. Numerical columns only. This will come. Now I want to get it. Descriptive statistics for all. What should I write it? Yes. Include what? All. Include all, I will write it. All double quotes, single quotes, no quotes, double quotes. So double quotes. So this is the one for numerical and non-numerical columns. Non-numerical columns. That is for all. You are getting count, unique, top, frequency, and mean and everything is coming or not? Yes. Simple. So, count meaning is what I said, unique meaning I said, top and then etc. On non-numerical columns, if you call describe, it will give count, frequency, top, all those things will come. Let us, online students, I hope you are getting this. Let us move to the another part of it. Make it fast. Find the occurrence of employee name. Find the occurrence of the employee name. That is the first 5. First 5. Find the occurrence of employee names. First 5 employee names, that meaning is first 5 employee names. I mean, this is in, for example, if you take it, there is some names are regularly available in our society. Regular names are available in society. Very regular names. So boys and girls, you take it. Girls, you take it. On and average, some 5 to 6 names are commonly available. So especially girls. So those common names, that is the meaning. Find occurrence of the employee names. Occurrence means what? Suppose there is a killer, John Killer, Miller, like that. Killer is available so many times or not? That is the occurrences of employee names. Who will give unique values? Value counts. In which order? Madhubavulu, ascending order. Which order? What I am getting? Head of. What is that head of you? First 5. First 5. I hope you know value counts. So I'm going to give you this 8th question. 8th question I am going to give. Let us go to this place. Now I am writing here. Then go to the place. Here I am writing. Get this value counts. Here I am going to write it. Here I am saying value counts. See some of the things. Definitely error will come. EMP names. We have to take care about the columns properly. This you don't worry. DF dot what? Columns. Don't take much struggle by yourself. Do what? Employee name. Go to the place, get back and say what now? EMP name. EMP name I will write or not? EMP name. You copy that column and write as it is. Nothing to bother about it. So they say value counts. What is happening? Kevin Lee, Richard Lee, Stephen Lee, William Wong, Stan Lee, something like these are the frequently occurring names. Are you following? These are the frequently occurring names. There are multiple employees with Kevin Lee. This name is available how many times? 13 times. 13 people are different. Right or not? So if you go to girls, Swati, Sweta, some names. If you go and search in companies, at least 20 people will be there. Like that. Like this, you take it. Value count. Dot what I want. Head of. How many? 5 or 6 or 7 or how many you want. Dot what? Head of. Head of 2 you want. First top 2 people. That is called what? Kevin Lee and then Richard Lee. Now I'm going to say what? 5. Don't write anything. Is the first 5 is coming or not? The first 5 is coming. Are you following me? Done. Head function. Next, another function is called what? Find the number of unique jobs. Straightforward. For everything, there is a function name. See, without knowing functions, if you put these questions now, it is not a academic exam to write your own thing. Like what? Find the job title of Alert Pardin. Alert Pardin is living in San Francisco. Used to get, he's having ID. He's having total basic pay. I don't know. If you write additionals, 0 marks, you'll get it. You have to write directly statement. Academically, you are very strong. How to write answer sheet, how to fill up the white paper in a wrong manner. Wrong manner, how to put it, I know. So, come to the point of it. Now coming to this place. What is the next one? Next one is what? Find the occurrences. Next, find the name of the number of unique job titles. So, how do you find out? Go to the place. First of all, what is the column name? df dot columns. What is the now? Job title. Right? Job title. Okay. Go to that place of what? Job title. Okay. Job title you are taking. Dot what? N unique. N unique you say. N unique. So you are going to get what? 2159 unique jobs are there. If you are having more time, instead of watching YouTube, etc., you would see that the job titles. So 1,48,000 will you see? 4 5 if you see, your body will say, okay, enough. So unique. N unique you will get it. N unique. So that is what I am going to say. Next, total number of job titles titles contain what? Caption. The caption can contain CAPTAIN. And next is called what? Caption like that. And next is called a small caption like that. Last class only I said. What is the function name? Contains. If I say captions, gives what? Boolean array. Captains of this Boolean array. And captains of what? Case false. It means what? Ignore the case. And next is called what? Captains. Ignore the case and find what? Count. Count will give you the number of jobs start contains what? Captain. Right or not? So army captain or Indian captain or something. There are multiple words are there. Try to go for it. STR job titles contains what? Captions. So these are all called what? Find the, what is the question now? Okay. Go there and get this 10th question. Get this 10th question. Writing here. What is this now? df dot what? Columns. Columns. It is always good way for you. What is that now? Job title. Job title of I will take like this. Job titles of like this. I took it. df dot job titles. So many number of things are coming. Say there is a captain 3. Captain 3. Somewhere else, what is this? Police department. Next is called what? Police department. Like that, fire department. There are a lot of people are there. Dot 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 indicates what? So many. Is equal to what? I will write it what? str dot contains. Contains. Why I am using contains? Double equal to you can write. Double equal to if I write captains, it will take what? Either uppercase or lowercase or title case or capitalized case. But CAPTAIN, any of the format might be they enter the job. So better to go for ignoring the case. So contains is better. Understood? So contains what? Caption. I will take this same wording. I will write it. I'll write it. It returns what? It returns what, ma? Boolean. So true, true is there. How many truths are there in further? I don't know because dot, dot, dot. I'll say what now? Count of. Just I am writing. How many are there containing with capital? 1,48,658 captains of contains a job title like that. Next, I will write the same thing. Next, I will write the same thing. Here I am writing. What I will write it? Comma. Case is equal to what? False. You say case is equal to false. What is this now? Case is equal to false is containing like this. Now, job titles contains job titles. This I will pass it to that. 1 minute, ma. Yeah, instead of count there, instead of count over there, you try to take up in this place. Pass to whom? df of you pass it. So you are going to get it with the name called what? Captain. Capital letters are there or not? Capital letters. All of them, only that word contains captain. Something like captain. Captain only like this. Next, what I will do is equal to this data is coming. And the same thing I will write it. Here I will write it. Dot count of I will write it. This will give you employee name contains the word called what? Any employee name. Count will give you all the columns. The word contains job title. Okay. It is giving job title. Okay. This is a one. I need only that part. But in employee name, if you take foreign names, there is some word is there inside the name also. There is a word contains. In job title, in base pay, in overpay, these places also, these people related job title, basic pay also will be available on this job title. These many number of values are going to be there. For the word called captain, job titles, with that captain, how many people are working? How many employee names are there working as a captain? 141. What is their base pay? 141. For all the captains who are available, 141, 141, that is called what? Their columns are giving. Under captain job title, how many employees are there? 141. Their base pay, every captain is having the other benefits and everything is available. I hope you are getting it. Right. Next, I am going to get it. Here I said case is equal to false. I said case is equal to false. How do you find out that? Case is equal to false, I am saying. There are two things are there. Number of things I said. One is LEN you can apply. One more you can say what? Count also you can apply. There are two things are there. Let us go to the place. Same thing I will write it. Same thing I will write it. Copy this. Here I am going to write it. Maybe increasing something. Come on, what is this now? Case is equal to what? False. You try to see. Case is equal to what? First of all, you see that after captain I wrote it. Actually, inside that is. Inside the function. Inside the function, you need to write it. So many. Dot what? Count of. Parameter need to take carefully. With the ignoring the case, what is coming? 552. Job titles, how many? 552. Under that what? 552 employee names working on the designation called what? Captain. Out of this many captains, benefits are available to how many? 411 captains are available. For other people are not having the benefits. Are you getting? So this is related to that. You can also find the same thing by passing what? LEN. So what LEN will give you? This I am going to get it. Here I am going to get it. Here I am writing like this. You are getting LEN of DF. Okay. DF of 1 minute. DF of. So I will write it like this. So job titles of what, contains df of like this. You try to get it. See, don't get it immediately by typing answer will not come. You do experiment. Every doctor will kill 4 or 5 people already. Then only will become doctor. Huh? Sit down. Okay. If you say Bahar means I don't accept it. Reason is required. So health is not good. So I understand what is your health problem. Coming to the point back. Are you able to understand now? Come to the next. Come to the next. Are you following? Count off you can apply or LEN off you can apply. Display all the employee names from which department? Fire department. Fire department. Already you have seen fire, right? Let us go. So get this word. Get all the employee names who are working in fire department. Here. What I will do? DF dot columns. Columns. What is this now? Job title. I will take job title. Is equal to what? DF of what? Job title is equal to what? Fire. Fire. Fire capital or smaller, that is, will take care. You say fire or smaller capital, that will take care. Fire. If you want, you can pass to whom? DF dot what? LOC. LOC of. You can say nobody is there on the name small f. So see that nobody is there on the name that. And I will write what? Dot contains. So I'll say dot what? str dot contains. Contains of what? Fire. Fire. Comma. What is this now? Case is equal to false. False. Just close it. So you are getting one true is coming, right or not? That you pass it. What is this? DF dot what? LOC. LOC of. So you are getting, see that there is something fire. There is some fire department. Fire department. Somewhere else fire department, right? Or fighter. Firefighter. Firefighter. They're all job title starts with fire. So now you need to find what? What is the question? Display all the employee names. So from there, you get it what? Yes. So what is that now? What is the column name? Employee name. Is it correct? Employee name, I will take it. So EMP name, I will take it. This I will carry. This I will carry. Here I will write it. Of what? EMP names. You can find indexes also. Indexes also, you can pass index related things. If you get it error, you have to go for that. Names came or not? Names came or not? Patrick, all these things, people are working in that. So one more way is what? Get what? Indexes. Indexes you pass to either LOC or what? ILOC. You will get that also. I hope you are getting. Are you okay, guys? Right. If you want job titles also, if you want to get it, you can write job title also if you want to get it. Comma. Comma, you will write it. So you are getting one more bracket. One more bracket is required. So you are getting what? Employee name, job title. Employee name, job title. So how many are present? You can write what? LEN of. LEN of. You can write LEN of. This is one thing. All of them want to get it. Here I will say display number of employees from fire department. LEN of. LEN of. So you'll be getting 5,879. This already available. Are you following that? Yes, like that. So next I want to find the maximum, minimum and average base pay. Easily you will get it. What is this now? Yes, this is going to give you what? Of base pay. Of what? Describe. base pay. Here, what is the column? Base pay. So go to the 12th column here. 12th column there. So getting df dot columns. So in the columns, what is my column name? Base pay. Base pay. So df of base pay. So base pay dot what? Describe of. Describe of. So it is going to give you like this. Are you following? Yes. So maximum, minimum, and this, like this, you will get it. So here you are getting max, and here you are getting what? Min. So if you want, I can get what? Max. Max of. Max of. Next is what? Min of. Max of what? Min of. You can find. Min of. You can say. Min of also coming. Next is called what? Huh? Daughter. Mean of. Average. Your average. Chocolate is separate. Right. What is this now? Mean of. Mean of. What is coming? Like this. You can apply simply what? Df dot describe of. Describe of what is coming? Max. Max check చేసుకోండి. Max. Is it okay? 3192. 3192. Okay. Min is called what? Minus 166. 66352. 66352. Once you know functions well, you can do everything. Like a hairstyle. Regular dialogue. Our dialogue is regular. So easy. Now you got it. Go to that. Either by using describe or by using what? Above. So this is R. Next, students. Next, replace not provided in place of employee name column to what? None. If we go to my Excel sheet, if we go to some Excel sheet, under that, you go to this place, employee salary report. You see some places, there is a column name is there, it seems, not provided. Somewhere else, there is an employee name, not provided. Somewhere else, there is a not provided. No patience to check there. Directly, I will go. My data set is what? Not provided. This is my existing things. Go to where? This thing. df dot columns. df dot columns. What is the one? Employee name not provided. Shall I check that? Check it. Which one is my condition? Off like that. Off like that is equal to what? Not provided. Not provided. Yeah, I will write it. I will write it. So I am typing and I am speaking now. So you have to hold on. If you exit now, problem will come. Employee name of not provided, Boolean value will come. df dot what I will pass? LOC. I will get it like this. And see that employee name not provided, not provided. Where it is? 13,797. 13,797. 13,000. 13,000. 13,000. ఎంతది 13,797. 13,007. Somewhere else, whatever it is, 797. 797. Employee name 13,797. Not provided. Provided, not provided. Year. Not provided. They're not provided. Not given. 99. What? We will see that. We'll see that. Where is it? Go to this place. 797. This is index because not provided. What is that in Excel sheet? We are getting with answer, right or not? That we want to replace with what? None or some name, unknown person, whatever you like it, you can just provide it. Shall we write it? How do you write it? D of dot, this part I will take up here, say dot what? Dot str dot Vani is requesting to deny. Dot what? Contains. Contains. Contains of what? Not providing to what? Unknown. Name of the person is called what? Unknown. So if you want, you can write unknown, or if you want, you can write what? Nan, you can write it. How do you write nan? NP dot NAN. So I hope if you, I don't know whether I imported or not. Import NumPy as what? NP. NP. Put it in where? DF of what? DF of what? Name. DF of name, I will write it. DF of name. I will replace immediately. I'll replace immediately. So contains. Replace. Yes. Replace. Yes. Replace. Do it. So done. What is that? Not provided. str. Replace must be what? Nan. No problem. I'll write what? NP dot what? Nan. So done. DF dot. What is this now? Is equal to what? NP dot what? Nan. Nan. So somewhere else this is available. DF dot LOC of. DF dot LOC of. So having like this. You're having NP dot nan. Whatever you want, you can substitute, students. Suppose a person is coming. My number is so and so. My name I did not give earlier. Today I'm giving. You write your name. Yes or no? Your name is I'm writing there. So I'm writing, for example, go to the same place. Here I'm writing. Here I'm writing like this. Not provided. This is today I'm writing like this, comma, I'm writing MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni I'm writing. Today I'm writing like this. So, okay. Single code one extra. So try to write it. Provided what? You go for this one. This, what is your comparison directly? You write this comparison with that value is called what? MS Dhoni, you write it. MS Dhoni, you write it. Go to this place. Of what you pass to? DF. Of course. Directly it is available. Come on. Are you following me? So MS Dhoni. Suppose you want to replace only MS Dhoni with certain value. You use index or not? Use index. You use index. One of the index you take it. One of the index you take it. Like that I can just replace it. Are you following me? Yes. Done. Go to the next one. I hope you are following, students. Next, drop rows having 5 missing values. Rows means what will come? Index will come. See, drop the rows having 5 missing values. How do you know that it is a drop 5 missing values? You have to count now. Which one? Rows. First of all, what you will do? DF dot is null. What you will do? Sum. What are you doing? Row. Row means what is the main important thing? Column values I need to take or not? What is this now? Access is equal to what? 1. DF dot is null will give you Boolean array. What are you doing? Sum. Which sum? Index sums you want to do now? Column sum you want to do now? One record contains how many nans? That is my question. If your record contains 5 nans, you find out that I am saying. So try to follow. First of all, you see this now. Go there. First of all, you carry this. Now I'm going to take up. Here you keep it. Now try to write it. DF dot is null. Sum access is equal to 1. See that this is going to give you. What is this now? There is a one null value is there, one null value is there. So many number of 4 null values are there. Like this, it is coming. Dot what I am doing? Dot what I am doing? Sum is done. How many? How many null values I want to take it here? Is equal to what? 5. 5 that are coming. Some of them are true also there. How do you find out that? df dot what? LOC. df dot what? LOC. So you are getting something like access is equal to what? 1. See that now we get sum of access is equal to. Is it okay? df dot. This you take it. 5 values passing to this LOC, directly passing to this place, and try to see that in this case df dot is null, sum of access is equal to 5 is equal to 1, index okay is equal to 0. This part we are getting here at this place, no values are available on name 4, and here you are having how many? Come on, that 5 was there when agency was there, nodes was there. Do you remember beginning when nodes was there, agency was there, that time it status was there, that time 8 are there. Now here I was removed now. When I was removed, ID anyhow number is there, status, agency, and then nodes. That are totally how many? 7 are there. But here 5 related things are not there. No data present on that. Now I am taking what? 4. 4. Number 1 for which person? For not employee name not provided person. What is there? Nans are there. Nans are there. I hope you are following me. So here I am going to get it. Here I am writing. Here not providing, some values are available, correct or not? How do you find out that? How do you find out that values? You try to follow is equal to 5. Now you are finding sum is equal to. After taking that, which one I want to take it? Access is equal to what? 0. 0 means what? Rows I want to take it. That will give you key error. Why? Because after taking that entire thing, you need to take what? Indexes. Index you need to capture. Why? We decided to write access 0 now. Access 0 means what? Indexes. I need to write compulsory what? Index. These are very typical and difficult to understand. Access is equal to 0 means what? Actually, you said access is equal to 1. This deals with what? Columns. But all of a sudden you specified what? 0. 0 means what? You switch over to the rows. Immediately I need to mention indexes. Then it is suitable. Correct or not? You try to carry these things. Null values we got it and we printed also. Now we are dropping. Shall we drop it? How do you drop it? How do you drop it? df dot drop. df dot access is equal to 5. Nothing is dropping because we need to say 4 only. I will go to that. I will write this statement as it is. I will write this statement as it is. When I say this thing, you will get what? Error is coming because we are dealing with what? Rows, but you did not specify the indexes. To avoid this key error, gives what? Key error. Key error. This I'll keep comment. How do you solve this point here? Here I am going to say this much big error page I am not keeping. Here I will write it. df dot as it is I will write it. Here I am writing. Here I am saying, come on, index. Here I will write it. Is equal to what I will write? 4. 4. I will change my question also 4. 4 because 4 values are available. Here also 5. 4. What I will say? Dot index. Index. Based on that, it is getting dropped. Based on that, it is getting dropped. So here, all those kind of things are dropped. So many number of things are available. Now, coming to the point back, here I want to print the data. I want to make it permanent or not. How do you make it permanent? In place is equal to true, comma. What I will write it? Comma. In place is equal to what? True. I will write in place is equal to capital T. So I am writing capital T. So here, print of what? DF. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. So this entire data will be printed. Of course, with a 5 column, I will check it out once. I'll check it out once. This part I will check it out. Here I will check it out whether it is still there or not. So here, no data present. Earlier it was there or not? Yes. Now I will write just two. Two. Off I will write it. Of just two. Removed. And three, anything like this, also removed. Of four, also removed. And next five, this is also not there. Because I removed just now or not. In place is equal to I said. Getting up? So students, I wrote find the job title Albert Pardini. How do you find out? df.emp name is this name and pass to whom? df and use what? Job title. Who is the person name called job title like this? I think you are following me. So can you do this now? It is 10 o'clock 57. Can you do the rest of them? Now, with this, I can say students, there are some more case studies with me. I will post to you. And it is not a one-day topic. When the course is getting over, it is finished. You are with me. I'll post a lot of case studies like that. You follow with the solutions also. I'll post it with this only. And tomorrow I'll start with what? Matplotlib. Data visualization I will introduce. Okay now? So Matplotlib, important. So don't miss the classes. Of course, that will be the last module. NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib I will start. Don't miss the classes. Thank you. All the best.